This quick video is introduction to what happens when you start the software, the process and the problems with signing in. So Trimble is asking you to sign in. You can press cancel or close the window and carry on working. There is a separate window which will open and ask you to log in. You can close this window and carry on working. You can close this window, carry on working. But each time you go and try to calculate something or create report, this sign-in request will keep coming up every single time you press calculate or report. It's very annoying, so you're better off just sign in. You can create new Trimble ID. You don't need admin permissions to do so, and you better do it because it's just quicker way of working. So I'm gonna sign in. Then you will have a home tab. This will be a quick run through all those tabs in here, a very high level introduction. If I go to construction tab now, all the options are grayed out. I'm gonna actually create new project, pressing a new, and I select a custom template which I prepared before. And how to create a template, this is explained in a separate video. Now I'm just gonna select the template I want and create project. Now you can see all my options are available for me to select. So I can start building my system. I'm not going to go through the system. This is high-level introduction of how the software is working. So I'm going to delete that. The construction type, as per name, is for you to build your system on your drawing space. When you build your system and you are ready to perform calculations, you're gonna go to calculation tab, press to calculate, and if you have selectivity studies set to be done on demand or upon request, then you have to do it separately. This is my preference. I do cable calculations separately from selectivity study. Worth mentioning, this fixed design button. I typically build my system without auto settings, meaning I select protected device size and type, and I select my cable size. I almost never leave it to auto. This is because if you do it, each time you press calculate, there's a very good chance your cable sizes, protected devices will keep changing and you will simply lose track of what's happening, especially if your electrical system is large. So you want to have control of what cable sizes and protected devices you have. So better off setting them yourself and then actually see the warning message. If it's wrong, at least you know about it. When you've done your calculations and you actually want to print report, you go to report tab. This is when you print report. I'm not going to go through a detail. This is high level explanation, but the most typical would be the cable calculation report. So you press that, select your cable you want to report, and create report. And the last tab is import export. Sometimes I use import legacy project if I have old projects in previous versions of Trimble ProDesign on Amtech. Even this is how you can open it and convert into current version. Export to fastest. I think Trimble is going away from supporting it if it's not already stopped, so I'm rarely using it. Never actually export image. That would be exporting the schematic drawing to image. If you wanted to, you could export the schematic drawing, your electrical system, into AutoCAD. It will be saved as DXF, but you can open it and edit in AutoCAD then, if you wished. So that's really all the options I'm using. Thank you very much for watching.